Hello and welcome to our video on indoor lift rentals and all you need to know. These rentals provide temporary reach to high places inside a building, commonly utilized in construction, renovation, and even at events like concerts or trade shows. There are mainly two types, indoor scissor lifts and indoor boom lifts. Rental periods are flexible, varying from a few hours to several weeks, and often come with maintenance services. The flexibility of rental periods, from a few hours to several weeks, makes this option ideal for various project durations. Reputable rental companies often include maintenance and repair services throughout the rental period. Lifts come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each designed to meet specific needs. But primarily, there are two main types of lifts that you can rent: indoor scissor lifts and indoor boom lifts. Scissor lifts are vertical platforms raised and lowered by a system of crossing braces. On the other hand, boom lifts operate using a hydraulic arm that extends both outward and upward, allowing for reaching higher areas. Choosing the right lift involves taking into consideration factors like weight capacity, working height, and outreach. Weight capacity refers to the maximum weight that the lift can safely carry. Working height is the maximum height that it can reach, while outreach pertains to how far the lift can extend horizontally from its base. There are many benefits of renting an indoor lift. Not only is it more affordable than purchasing one, but it also saves on maintenance costs. You also get access to specialized equipment that might be too expensive to buy outright. Plus, rental companies often provide safety training and installation services for your convenience. Just remember, when using an indoor lift, it's important to ensure safety measures are followed. Operators should have proper training and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Additionally, regular maintenance checks should be done to keep the machine in good working order. Got more questions about indoor lift rental services? Feel free to reach out to Innovative Reach at 319-900-5995.